Hi guys and gals, thanks for joining me. This is Dustin Brown with Snohomish County Life, and today I'm going to show you how I chop garlic. Pick the knife that you like, but this is the knife I love for cutting vegetables. It's a Shun vegetable cleaver, and it doesn't matter how small the vegetable is, this is a perfect tool for the job. First thing you do is decide how much garlic you want. Today I'm just going to do a clove, so I'm going to rip it off. Cut off the tip first, just so I can go ahead and get that out of there. And then the easiest way I've found is to press with your knife, get that as flat as you can. From there you can pull the little shell right off. And I like to remove, if there's any green, I like to take that out, but that's just a personal thing. You don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, now my garlic's ready for chopping, and you see how flat it is already. That prevents it from rolling and also gives you a nice even space to chop it up on. So I'm going to cut it lengthwise. Then I'm going to go around and cut it the other way. And you can already see just with 2 passes I've already got it really tiny already. And if I want it smaller, it's just a couple more passes back and forth with the blade. I love garlic. We put it in everything. Roasted vegetables, stir fries, soups, sauces. Can't get enough of it. But look how quick that was. How do you like chopping garlic? Leave me a message in the comments. Thanks for joining.